This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use QuickBooks as a beginner. First, select the QuickBooks version that best suits your business, whether it's desktop or online. Next, set up your company file by entering essential business information and customizing your chart of accounts. Then, connect your bank and credit card accounts to enable automatic transaction imports, saving you valuable time. Finally, personalize your settings to align with your specific operational needs. Managing your money is crucial. Begin by recording all customer invoices and diligently tracking payments as they come in. Similarly, enter vendor bills promptly and schedule payments to maintain good relationships and avoid late fees. Make sure to categorize every transaction accurately. This is vital for generating meaningful financial reports. Lastly, reconcile your bank accounts each month to ensure all your data is correct and complete. QuickBooks offers powerful reporting tools. Regularly generate profit and loss statements to understand your business's performance over time. Also, create balance sheets to get a snapshot of your financial position, including assets and liabilities. If applicable, manage sales tax collection and prepare for filing obligations efficiently. For businesses with employees, utilize the integrated features to run payroll smoothly and accurately. To get the most out of QuickBooks, adopt these best practices. Always back up your company file regularly to safeguard against any data loss. Don't hesitate to utilize the extensive online resources and support available whenever you need assistance. Make it a habit to review your financial reports frequently. This helps you make informed business decisions. For more complex accounting situations, consider consulting with a qualified professional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.